What is the best weed and feed when you have dogs? As you can see, I'm not sure we have grass anymore. I think it's mostly weeds now. And this is Paula from La Mirada, California.
Oh.
All right, and we appreciate that picture. But yeah, the best weed and feed when you have dogs.
Well,
What do you think?
I don't hardly ever use weed and feed because the timing of the weeding with the fertilizer doesn't always coincide with the best time to weed it or to feed it.
Exactly right.
So I like to use one or the other, and that's what I would suggest she go with. And most of the sprays for weeds, as long as it gets on there and dries, after it's dry, it should be okay for dogs to be on it.
And that information will be on the label. So I would advise Ms. Paula to read the label on that. But yeah, no weed and feed product. So I would spot spray and then work on rejuvenating the lawn. So aeration, re-sod or reseed, fertilization, irrigation, right? And that will get your yard to come back. But as far as the weed and feed goes, no.
Yeah.
Not together.
No, it's the wrong time for those.